Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of my new sunglasses, which is in this box. And this time it's not showing my address, so you won't know where I live. I mean my mum. Right then, I apologise if I keep coughing or sneezing, or I have a bit of a head cold, so I do apologise. Right then, let's jump into the video. Right, let's get cracking. Right, this is the box it comes in. Obviously an Amazon box. I got my knife here, so let's open it up. Well, this time I don't need a knife because it comes off like that. So let's put the knife down. And then we open the box. And it comes in this, oops, well the box is open, but don't worry. Put that on the floor. It comes in this black box. There's nothing on it though. It's plain, nothing to tell you apart from what it is. And that it just tells you where it's made. It's made in China, women's stylish glasses. Right, let's open it up, see what's inside. It comes with, oh, wow, I like that. It comes with a case. I keep putting it upside down, I do apologise. It says, it's going to focus, Duco designer glasses. And it's in a black case. And it comes with, I don't know what this is, I think you clip on here something. There's what this name of the sunglasses. And we'll zip it. I do like the case it comes with. What's it come with? Let's have a look. I'm going to put the case down so I can get everything out and show you. So let's put the case to one side. It comes with, I have no idea what this is. If anybody knows what this is, oh, it's a screwdriver to fix your sunglasses. Wow, that is cool. Let's screw that back on. Yeah. Next thing that comes in there is what's under this. It comes with another wallet. So you can, if you're going abroad somewhere and you don't want a bulky one like this one here, then you can use this one instead. I like that idea. And it also comes with a cloth which says the logo on it, which says Duco, or you can wipe it when they get dirty. It also comes with some instructions. Just tells you like how to clean them and weak sunlight and all that jazz. And all that jazz. There you go, you get a little singing voice for me. It doesn't really tell you much, obviously, because they're sunglasses. What are they meant to tell you? It also comes with, you know what this is? Just tells you like the other sunglasses and where they make them, like Germany, Britain, America, etc. And these are the sunglasses. It comes in like a plastic packaging to make sure they're not, you know, broken, which I have had a couple of times where I've ordered something and they've been broken because they don't look after them that well. And there they are. I'll show you the handles, or how you call them. Here's one handle. I do like this bit here, it's like a bow. Comes with a sticker, says category 3. No idea what that means, but oh well. Very nice. I think that's all it come with, guys. And it come with says this: test, wear sunglasses to see the beautiful pattern. I shall be trying them on. I don't know what this is. No idea what that is. Oh, I think you're meant to look. Never mind. Don't matter. I'm wearing the sunglasses that I've just got, and they're really nice. Obviously, I'm in a dark place, so they don't give the what you call it, the details of when you're looking at the sun and sunbathing. Hopefully, we can do that soon. But anyway, these were from Amazon. I paid, which was a reasonable price. These were $19.99 off at Amazon. What else can I say about them? They're in quite good. I like the bow pattern on the side, and I'm looking forward to wearing them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about that. I did warn you I was going to cough anyway. What can I say? Yeah, these were £20, as I said. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and press that notification bell so you can see my lovely face. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, whether you're working or home with the kids. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!